Hey folks, welcome back. My name is Krishna. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This time around, I want to share with you a technique that I think will help level up your drawing practice. And it involves just making two lines of any type. So for example, something like this. I'll do one more. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn these lines and we're going to give them three-dimensional form. So this is something you can practice on paper and pencil. This is something you can practice digitally, but it allows you to think in three-dimensional space as opposed to just flat lines. So what's the technique? Well, I'm going to pick a different color here, create a new layer, and instead of just making a straight line that connects these items together, because that's just going to make it look flat, instead, what I'm going to do is just add a slight amount of curvature. And right away, when I add that curved line on both sides, I'm implying something that appears to be rounded, right? These are contours that represent the ends of this particular form. If I extend this out by just adding another line like so, our eye looks at these lines now as something that has some dimension and some form. If I carry that through, make some dotted lines, and then repeat that same contour shape, now I've got an irregularly shaped object that appears to have some form to it. This is a really important concept to understand, the idea that you can take any two lines and just by adding a curve, you can imply something that has form. And it's really neat when you're trying to draw things that are very organic. For example, like trees, creatures, things of that nature. So here's another example where I've taken two lines and now I've given those lines some form. We'll do one more over here. And then all I'm doing here is I'm just picking another point, doesn't matter where. I'm just adding a contour, and the dotted line simply implies that part of the object that I can't see. It's the area that's behind the viewer, right? We can't see that, but I'm implying this idea of form. So from here, we have a good basis to go ahead and then create characters, we can create objects that are organic, etc. So think about this particular concept here. It works really, really well, and it's something that you can practice. It will definitely help you level up. I'll just do one more. We'll just have something that's kind of more, kind of angular like this, and we'll have something that's more organic like this. And all we're going to do now is we're going to switch to a different color. I'll draw a cap. I'll draw another cap, find certain areas. I like to find like where the bend actually occurs is a great place to go ahead and put a contour. These contours just help me remind myself that this is a dimensional form. So this is something that I see a lot of new digital artists struggle with, this idea of how do you get something that looks like form. We've talked about spheres. We've talked about cones, cubes, etc., right? And even cylinders. And I think most students understand at a very basic level like what these volumetric shapes can do when you're creating objects. But organic forms can be created by having two separate lines that are not symmetric. And this gives you way more variation, it gives you way more visual interest, and it can certainly help replicate the organic world that you're trying to draw. So give this a try when you have a chance. It's a very simple video today, but I think hopefully it'll have some deep impact, especially if you feel like you're not really moving up in your drawing skill level. And if you do practice this exercise, please let me know how it's working for you in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.